How to enable dark mode on Reddit. Open up your Reddit application on your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged into a Reddit application. Tap on your avatar icon, then head to the settings option at the bottom. Scroll down until you see the option of dark mode. Now right here, simply toggle it on. You can also do this method by a second way. Just tap on the avatar icon once again. Now at the bottom next to setting, you will see this moon option. Just tap on it to disable your dark mode. Then tap on the moon icon once again to enable your dark mode. If you do not have this feature, press and hold the application and head to app info. Force stop it. Then again tap on storage and cache. Clear up the cache to remove any of the bug issue. Also open up your Play Store or App Store and in the search bar search for your Reddit application. Tap on Reddit. Now if there was an update, leave it for an update. If not, you can uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. You can also check for a system update and make sure that your system is up to date. Because sometimes if your system is not updated, such feature is not supported for your device. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.